My name is Miss Christina, and I am the head of schools here at Seoul Central. It is my absolute pleasure to welcome you and your families to our Back to School Open House today. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy schedules to join us. I know how precious your time is, and we are truly honored that you've chosen to spend part of your day with our Lion family. Today, you'll have the wonderful opportunity to step into your child's world here at Seoul Central. I encourage you to explore our classrooms, follow your child's daily schedule, and experience firsthand what makes our school community so special. And of course, don't miss our delicious Lion's Kitchen. Our students absolutely love it, and I think you will too. Our dedicated team of 14 full-time teachers, all licensed educators from the United States with an average of over 10 years of experience, are genuinely excited to meet you today. They can't wait to share what your child experiences throughout the school day, from our rigorous American curriculum to our character mentorship programs. As you visit each classroom, you'll see sample work that showcases our students' growth, examine the textbooks and materials we use, understand how our grading system works, and learn about important school policies that support our mission of inspiring excellence in character and academics, serving one another in love and good deeds. Since founding Seoul Central in 2017, I've watched many of our students grow, not just academically, but as young leaders of character. I pray that today gives you a glimpse into the transformational journey we are privileged to share with your children every single day. If you have specific questions about your child's progress, academic goals, or anything else that comes to mind during your visit today, please do not hesitate to schedule a one-on-one meeting with your child's teachers through our school office. As you know, we strongly believe in the power of partnership between home and school. We cannot do this without you. I hope you have a truly wonderful time exploring our campus, meeting our incredible faculty, and seeing why Seoul Central has become such a special place for families from around the world. Our Lions community is stronger because of families like yours. Thank you again for being here, and I look forward to seeing you throughout the day. Go Lions!